Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to take your living space to the next level? We love our SKYSEN bifold barn door. It is so gorgeous in our living space. This is the 36-inch by 84-inch barn door in gorgeous solid spruce wood. I absolutely love that the hardware is included in this kit, and it's really such a finished, polished look that opens effortlessly with just a little push. This barn door glides like a charm and is super quiet. Seriously, this bifold fits right snugly at the door frame, saving so much space. It's perfect. SKYSEN took great care in packaging, and we love the unique grains in the wood, so we just let them show off their natural beauty with 2 coats of stain. We're 100% happy with this new addition to our home. SKYSEN has set you up for success with this bifold barn door kit. We love it. We highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.